Alright, here's a cool one. Customer states clicking noise on the inside through the audio system speakers. Let's listen. You hear it? Click, click, click. It's a triplet. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, 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 bop. See? It's rhythmic. So, I'm willing to bet that. Let's see what we got. One of these is going to be angry. Go away, go away, go away. This is for the sake of showing you. So, in this car, this is a 19, whatever-ish Odyssey. And this guy right here, he's called the RCU, Rear Control Unit. That's located somewhere in that area down there. And what happens is, the thermal paste on the heat sink that sits on top of the processor inside that control unit hardens, and probably wasn't enough on there to begin with, but it overheats. The chip overheats and it goes into this fail-safe, and it does that type of noise. So we'll go to most nodes and we'll go to RCU, and it'll say not okay or knock red, right? And I can't read any of the information. So by the way, this is a network, call it the MOST network, MOST, probably heard of it. FACRA recall, it's kind of infamous. And the audio-visual components are all on a one-way network ring, right? Data is sent and received via a ring, right? It's not a two-way comm style, it's not Ethernet, it's none of that. So, like I said, that thing goes offline, creates this fail-safe, and this is the audible tone you get, right? So we got to replace that rear entertainment control unit. Of course, we're not at that point, but we'll get there. All right, quick diag. Bye.